Hi to all, my name is Ezra Dark, and in today's video I have Archos Bolt electric scooter. So the battery is bad because it can only hold for about 5 to 6 kilometers in third speed. So I'm gonna show you what we have the problem. So the battery is 25 volts here, so in this area, and I'm gonna swap it with my new battery, and the new battery is 3 amp hours, and this in here should be 2 amp hours, but I don't know. I will check them before I take them out, and I will check them. So as you can see now, it is fully charged. Nah, 1 bar missing, so it cannot be fully charged. But if I go to third speed, so you see it misses almost immediately 2 or 3 bars. So as you can see, the battery drops immediately after I go. So the mission is to swap the battery. We have 14 batteries in here, and I'm gonna swap it, so stay tuned. So you see now, I hope you see. So to disassemble this electric scooter and take out the battery, you need to take these 4 bolts out. So one is already missing. You need to take these 2 bolts, and in here, when you take this out, you have 4 more screws that you need to loosen. Just loosen. And here also on the down you have these 4 screws you have to take out, and here you have also 4 screws. So I'll be back to show you. So you can see, as you can see, I took the bolts out, and now you have in 4 more bolts. Just loose them, and then you can take this part out. And when you take this piece out, then here you can take down the wheel, and here you have 1 more screw. So to loosen these bolts you need 4 millimeter Allen screw, Allen key, and for this is 2.5 millimeters. And now you take this out. Just be careful, because here you have lots of wires, and you should do this with your 2 hands. But now when you loosen the 4 inner bolts, you can take this piece, you see, out. So when you take all the parts out, you get here the wires for the motor. Here you have the control unit, speed controller. Just watch for the thin wires. And here you have the wheel, and here's the charging port. Here is connector for the LED, and this is our battery. This is our problem. So here you have 14 cells and BMS. So I will take this apart and I'll see you soon. So I'm here. So this is the battery. As you can see, you have 7 series and 2 parallel batteries. So this is the BMS. We're gonna see if we have the difference between the cells. So how much voltage does they have? So we're gonna see. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's see like this. Yeah, okay, we have it. Okay, we have zoomed a little more. Okay, so you have to be careful not to touch these welds. So we're gonna see from the first we have 3.61. The second one is 3.6. The third 3.7. We have 3.8. Ooh, 5, 3.8, 6, 3.6, 8, and the last one 3.65. So as you can see, from the fourth and fifth, I think we have 3.8 voltage, and the lowest is the first battery is 3.6. So this is not active balancer. That means that when the highest cell is reaching 4.2 volts, it cuts off the charging. So that means that we have almost 25% the difference between the highest cell voltage and the lowest cell voltage. So that's a lot, and that is that you're losing 20% of the range. So I'm gonna disassemble this battery pack, and I'm gonna see which battery packs has the higher voltage. So let's see which one does it have the higher voltage. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Okay, let's see this one. We have, no, this is not. We have this one, no, and this is, so this is the first, this is the lowest. So I'm gonna put this on low, and let's see which one has the highest. So this is the battery that I've changed because it was, we have 3.82. Let's see, we have something more. Yeah, we have. So this is the high voltage. I'm gonna put so this is the high voltage. And this is the low voltage. So that means that this capacity of these batteries are higher, 20% or 25% more than these two batteries. So I'm gonna put this on my little car charger and we're gonna see the difference between the high voltage cell and the low voltage cell. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I've changed all the batteries and now let's check the voltage. They all should be fully charged. Let's have a quick look. So this is the first cell, 4.2, second, 4.2, third, 4.2, fourth, 4.2, fifth, 4.2, sixth, 4.2, and the last, seventh, 4.2, and all together have 29, 61, 62. As you can see, they are all fully charged and they are all beyond 3 amp hours. As you can see, here are my batteries from the electric scooter that I took out. So this is the lowest cell. It has 1.7 and the second low has 1.3, so that combined is like 1.5 amp hours, and the cells with highest voltage have 2.1 and 2.1. So as you can see, the batteries are gone. So now I have to put all this thing together and let's do a test run. So as you can see, I've put the electric scooter on, the battery is new. Let's see here. We have full bar, we have 81 kilometers, so let's see how it performs. So as you can see, I passed 10 kilometers and I have 3 bars, and now I have to go to second speed because I don't know if I'll get home. So 10 kilometers in full speed. So as you can see, I've passed 15 kilometers and almost 50 minutes of driving. So the first 10 kilometers was on third speed and last 5 was in second speed. So now we'll see how far will it reach. So I'm back home. So as you can see, 17 kilometers with fully charged battery. 10 kilometers were at third speed and last 7 was on second speed. So if you ask me, it was a very good battery replacement. So 1 hour I have been driving. So thanks for watching. If you learned something new or you can change your batteries, hit me thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Street Dark out. Bye.